This is a technical analysis for Bitcoin. Since we have already made a goal for next week analysis, and now I will make some forecast for the Bitcoin. Since Bitcoin is 747 trading on other platforms, but I will try to make some technical analysis for the other platforms, which even in Saturday and Sunday there's still an ongoing trading of the Bitcoin. Now this is a live trading to the Bitcoin, and I will do some top analysis for this for today and even on Monday until the weekends or even until the year end. Okay, we will start from the monthly top analysis for the Bitcoin. Since we know that there is no previous reference for this top analysis where we can refer our resistance and support for the possible reversal or the pivot points of the prices. But based on the present scenario, we will try that we can still manage to anticipate or to monitor on then so we can have references for the previous months or years. Okay, so this is the monthly top down analysis for the Bitcoin. Okay, guys, since this is the very this is the previous if we can this is the previous support of the for the past months for the Bitcoin. Okay, so these are the possible. This is the lowest prices when there is a strong reversal or correction on this monthly time frames. Okay, since we count this is November 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the past 6 months. November or July, August, September. Okay, June. This is the June. June, July, August, September. Yes, June. This is the June. The June we're in the pivot point of the monthly time frame for the Bitcoin. Okay, since as we can see, the November. This is the month and this is the monthly. This is the monthly resistance. The zone here, the highest price, and then this is the liquidity. So now this is the volume of the sellers, bearish candle, which is ongoing, and if we will check the maybe the daily or that or the month, yeah. So you can see that we will try to click it up down. So this is the we're in okay. We will change to daily. So see, this is the daily, and then we will project to the left. This is the strong support, a daily support, strong support for this daily. Okay, so this is the daily strong support. Okay. Yeah, this is the daily strong support. And the question mark next, what will happen next? Is the prices will go higher? As I can based on my top-down analysis, we refer on the chart, regardless of the fundamentals. You will check to the fundamental, it will go inside. As you can see, this is this guys. Yeah, this is this. Yeah. This is the another resistance that if the prices will in the daily chart, if the prices will correct here, move up here, I think the prices must break this strong resistance. This one. This is a strong here until here is a strong resistance. If it will be broken, then manage to some correction, and then zoom to that point. And if it will zoom or the daily, if it will be broken until here, he has to the prices must break this again this resistance. So this will be the scenario. Okay, this is the very strong resistance, very thick resistance, this zone. So for me, for the next week, Yeah. For the next week, top-down analysis, uh, based on the monthly, there is still a possibility that it will go higher. The price will go higher. The price will go higher. The momentum, and also there is not this is still a reward for that monthly. That will if this is the monthly because it's not yet completed. This monthly. It's about to complete, no? 28, 29. Slide only. Maybe a slide here. This will goes up to continue because today another platform is ongoing trading. So this one will check the daily. Okay. As you can see, guys, this one. This is if this is a strong support, what will you do this one? This is a bullish harami, very bullish harami. This one is black. This is a bearish. This is this is it seems it's like a bullish harami. And the next candle you have to wait for this daily. If it is a doji or another bullish. If it is a bullish while ongoing, we'll check the 4 hours. Yeah, this is the 4 hours. Okay, this is the 4 hours. Because there's ongoing trading for the other platform. We will not wait for the Monday. We will some. Yeah. So this is the 4 hours. There is a consolidation, and the price is resting on the support. Okay, but there are some resistance. You can see this one. The price is trying to resist with this unit area. Okay, so overall, it may goes higher. Yeah, it may go higher. It may go higher, but upon here, you have to watch out this level until here. It may again uh, if it will go for next days, it will drop again. It will drop. So on monthly, so you can see the monthly. This is the month of the November, and the possible December. It may drop a little bit, and then again make some correction until to the strong resistance, and then it will drop again. And if it will drop, you have to watch out it because this is a strong here. And also when the prices in the monthly correct until here, he has to fill up this area here because this is the imbalance of prices. But other indicators is shows bullishness. But since there is a strong resistance at top above of this one strong resistance. Next monthly candles, if we go over to the weekly, yeah, here is the weekly. Here's this is the resistance, and then the price is trying to retrace here. If you check the left here, if it will continue to resist, it will drop until here or here. What's how this guy? The Bitcoin will if there's some upward correction, but it will drop again until this level. Bitcoin will drop until here 47 okay, 47047.23 or even here 45628.43. even deeper. Okay, so there's a potential that Bitcoin zone on the next months will, if there is a correction upward, but it will drop until here, even here, or even here. So that is for my Bitcoin analysis next week, next month, or even the first quarter of 2022. So if you see that Magnex, it is not advisable to invest in Bitcoin yan, buy Bitcoin. For me, it's not yet. It's not yet. It is not advisable since we are in the state of we have to position first. We have to position first because there is a various divergence of the higher time frame. So tendency prices will tend to drop. It will respect to the other indicators. Okay, we'll make a recap of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin may correct upward, but the bearish momentum is very apparent. So you have to prepare for that. As I've said, if it will drop here, that level, or even 50% of that, or even deeper. Okay, that's weekly, December, January. Because as far as I'm concerned, as I've said that, there is a bearish divergence, and also other indicators shows contraction pace, and then it may drop, then correct slightly upward, and then drop. So that is the Bitcoin for the next week, next month, or even first quarter of 2022. So just keep in touch with Backlink channel. I will still always keep on making some forecast through technical analysis, and then you can make this as reference if you have fundamentals compared to the news, current events, because chart will tell and then fundamentals to follow. Maybe there's an bad fundamentals for the forecast of some analysts, but it's only a forecast compared to the technical analysis, which is the chart tells what is the possible movements of the metal. Okay, so if you see if others see that the inflation may affect the gold value, but they have other, maybe they have other options that they can manage to make some adjustment to prevent US dollar will be overpowered by gold. Okay, so that's all for today. That's my Bitcoin technical analysis, and I will give some tips on the short time frame. Again, this is in the 4 hours, while on the other platform is not trading. There is still a resistance. You have to be watch out. If this resistance will be broken and then passing, it will reach to the 50% of the Fibonacci for this time frame. If this will be broken and then make some, then goes, then be watchful for the next year. It will happen next. But if this 50% will not be broken, tendency the prices will continue to drop. The reference of the higher time frame. There is, as I've said, there's if you will trade this correction, use a scalping strategy, hit and run. Do not manage your lot size, manage your number of trades, so that you can easily escape whenever the prices will drop massively. Okay, this gold is a very drastic movements, so you have to be careful, protect your capital. Uh, if possible, trade with the bias. Don't trade. Don't don't be contented with this slight correction. That's only for the expert. But for those who are still on the state of developing trading skills, it's better to trade with the bias. That is Magnet's advice, a friendly advice. Okay, the protection of the possible massive losses, okay, heavy losses. Okay, that's all for the Bitcoin for this week, and even next week, next month, or until first quarter of 2020.